All right, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Swamp Outdoors. What y'all see here is means for secondary cooking and curing meat or preserving meat. As you can see here, we got an offset smoker. Got the smoke box there and the fire box. Smokers are good to have because you can make some delicious food and you can also preserve meat. Smoking food has been around since caveman era, and it just simply takes some wood that nature preserves. Another means of secondary cooking is we keep an extra stove on hand. We've got more than one. Keep that thing's full of liquid fuel. Keep some extra just in case power goes out, SHTF, or any other disaster that may come your way. Remember, folks, SHTF happens in many different ways and at any time. So having contingency plans in place for cooking is always a plus. And then, as you can see here, we've got a barbecue grill. Good to have. And we just simply, here at the homestead, we keep extra firewood. Got some over there, and I've also got some big low logs out in the front. If I run out, there's plenty more around. I want to inspire everybody to try to be more self-sufficient. Self-sufficient we become, the better. Most self-reliable we become, the better. I hope this video was informative. Give people some ideas on what they can do to make life a little bit simply easier and less stressful to worry. Hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for some more real outdoors.